Hello mga kabuchi, welcome to our channel. So, today mga kabuchi, I am going to plant Baguio beans mga kabuchi. So, this is not our first time planting Baguio beans mga kabuchi. Before, we also planted Baguio beans mga kabuchi, but the harvest mga kabuchi is not that good. But we were able to harvest mga kabuchi in fairness, and we are a little bit happy. We are able to cook few mga kabuchi, only few. But, again, hala mga kabuchi. The seeds here mga kabuchi, oh look. They are all molds mga kabuchi. I don't know. This is not a good sign mga kabuchi, oh. There are molds in the seeds. So, we will plant them all mga kabuchi. We're not that lucky mga kabuchi because we were not able to get good seeds mga kabuchi. So what we will do right now mga kabuchi is we will try to plant them all here mga kabuchi, and who knows, some are still good mga kabuchi. Pero this is not really good mga kabuchi. It's all. So mga kabuchi, murag swerte-swerte na lang ba? So let us plant the Baguio beans mga kabuchi. Isa katudling mga kabuchi sa kinaraan pa. Isa katudling, so one line from here to there. And then we will see mga kabuchi if they will survive. So if they can survive mga kabuchi, then well and good mga kabuchi. Awara mga kabuchi, oh. Easily breakable na kayo siya mga kabuchi. I'm not happy with the seeds that I bought mga kabuchi, oh. But what can I do? So, buyer beware mga kabuchi. So, when you buy, anyway mga kabuchi, let's plant na lang mga kabuchi. So, let's plant 3. So, let's plant 3 seeds mga kabuchi. The singers mga kabuchi are all out mga kabuchi, to love you more. Let's not go that deep mga kabuchi. So, planting beans mga kabuchi. I don't know if this will germinate mga kabuchi. If this will not germinate mga kabuchi, I will just take this one as part of my compost mga kabuchi. Because I'm not confident with the store where I am buying this one mga kabuchi, because they are not storing these seeds in a cold temperature mga kabuchi. But then, I still decided to buy mga kabuchi because I want to plant something today. I supposed to plant kangkong mga kabuchi. I still wanted to plant kangkong. So, if I can find kangkong seeds mga kabuchi. So, I'll still plant kangkong. Maybe next week mga kabuchi. We will try to find some seeds mga kabuchi next week. Or if not seeds mga kabuchi, kay stem. I think stem is okay mga kabuchi. So, we will just plant the Baguio beans near to each other mga kabuchi. because I don't have any confidence mga kabutsi that they will survive. So kuan na lang ni mga kabutsi kanang chamba-chamba. So if they will survive, then we'll end good. If not, then if they will not germinate, then I'm not expecting them to germinate. In short, mga kabutsi, I am not expecting them to germinate, mga kabutsi, because of the molds. The seeds are already with molds, mga kabutsi. Oh. It's all white. So, vitamins na lang ni sa soil, mga kabutsi, if ever this will not germinate. So, we're not expecting. But if they will germinate, then we will still be happy. We should be happy, mga kabutsi, that they still germinate. So, I'm already away from the camera ko, mga kabutsi, and I will play this video again and check if you are still hearing me, mga kabutsi. And if the audio, mga kabutsi, is not changing, even though I'm this far from the camera, mga kabutsi, then that's cool, mga kabutsi. Very, very cool. Okay. So, we planted everything in one setting, mga kabutsi. I've got bad seeds, mga kabutsi. White, sadder than blue. So, mga kabutsi, this is going to be the end of our video, mga kabutsi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.